Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of February 26th through March 3rd. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. It's folded weirdly, so I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. This week I'm using this kit from Planning Inspired. I wanna say it's called Spring Flowers, but honestly, I have no idea, so we're just gonna go with it. I am gonna pull out a couple of things from my cup. I realized I forgot to use my new slice tool from Printpression, so cutting was always fun, as usual, and so now I'm going to pull it out just in case I need it. I did also pull out some stuff to go with, so I pulled out these 4 washi tapes. These are from a set, I believe, from Michaels. I know if you've just watched some of my videos, you recently saw me do a Simply Gilded haul with like 40 plus washi tapes, but I just felt like these went really well, so I'm going to use these. And then I also pulled these 2 that come from the Dollar Tree, and then this really skinny one from Amazon, and I'm going to use those across as my headers. Both of these are a little too wide, but I think once I put in the full boxes, it's going to work out fine. So I've got those. My plan, I believe, let me see what I can fit. So I think I'm going to use these 2 as my bottom washies because I think that they match better. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I also pulled out some leftovers. This is from a kit from Sarah Elizabeth Prince called Serenity. I do realize that there are headers that kind of go. I'm not using them. We'll figure it out. But I figured I would pull out, there's some like little things, a bunch of icons and stuff, some boxes, these kinds of icons. So I might end up using that for some extras and things like that during the month week as well. Okay, so I'm gonna stick down all the washies. I'm gonna stick down these guys. I did pull out an I Buy M fine liner in this like mauve color just to write February/March. So I will do that. So I'm just going to do all of this stuff, and then I will be back so that we can do the interesting bits. All right, here's the base all ready to go. Using the new slice tool is a little tricky because it's definitely different, but I will figure it out. We'll get there, I am sure. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this one as my quote box just because it doesn't match any of the other ones. So it seems like it might make the most sense to use. We'll have to see. So there's 3 of these guys, and there's 4 patterns and 3 flowers. So, all right. I think I'm gonna do middle, bottom, top. What did I do this week? Yeah, middle. What if I do middle, bottom? Yeah, I think we're just gonna go that way. Middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom, top, middle. Yeah. That is not straight, but we're just gonna have to make it work. Okay. Let's see. That one should not even be a pattern. Okay, that's never gonna come up, so we're just gonna have to make it work. And we will. We'll figure something out. I think I'm gonna stick this one here. And then that one. And then this one. Short. Okay, actually that's it. I think turns out fine. So then I stick this one here. And then I'm gonna stick this one right here. And then the last flower that's left is gonna go here. All right, I think I panicked over nothing. That actually looks pretty all right. Okay, for the sidebar, I will be honest, I did not really think about the sidebar at all. What do I have here? I have this blue, which does not really match. Okay, well, that was poor planning. Hang on one second. We're just gonna pull out my leftovers and hopefully there is something in here that will go. I don't have all my leftovers in here, but hopefully it's enough that I can find something. I would like at least one habit tracker. Those are very green. There's this pink one, which is like too wide, but could be an option. There's this icy or blue. It's not really in the set either. There's also this blue, which again, not really in the colors. And that guy is like 2-0. And those are 2 green. That one's 2 green. This one's very blue, which like there's not actually that much blue, even though I used this blue. There's not actually that much that's blue. I could pull in the yellow, even though that doesn't, it's not really in the kit, but I could probably get away with it. Okay, we're just gonna do that. I think that's gonna be good enough. Let me see what I have. It says work and school. And then the stuff in blue. None of those are very helpful. There's a hydration tracker. Okay, we can pull those in too. Okay. I'm gonna leave little gaps this time. That's a leftover from Lovely Planner blog. Then I'm gonna stick in this leftover from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And then I don't think I have anything in the way of headers that says like dinners or something like that. That would actually go with these colors. So there's this week one. Sure, let's just use one of these. We're just gonna mix all the fonts. It's gonna be fine. There we go, put that in. And then I think I'm gonna use this green. There's only 6 in there, but I think that's gonna be fine. To have one day missing. Sundays are always weird anyway. So I think that's not a big deal. Okay, and then I have this wide washi strip that's still left down here. So I think I'm just gonna use this up. Like so. And then pop in maybe this guy. we go. And then of the deco that's left, I don't think anything really fits. Let's use one of these actually. I'll just let it overlap a little. Okay, that's my sidebar. We're gonna call that good. Okay, so next up in the things that I did not prepare for is anything for work. Apparently remembering to do any of my usual prep was not gonna happen this time. Not really sure. Let's see. I do have a bunch of social media things, and I'm gonna put in this dark color here. It doesn't exactly match. That's from Paper Company, Jessica Aaron Designs, whatever. Doesn't exactly match, but I think that that's gonna turn out just fine. And then I think I might just pull in a couple of these little things, so we'll have to pull those out. Okay, for work. I could just do pink. Sorry, I'm just looking at what all the options are. Okay, I think I'm just gonna actually use these guys. They're always good standbys. So these are Aspens with laptops from Creative Cavern Studio. I'm just gonna start sticking down Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for those. And then I'm just gonna pull a couple extras for Thursday and Friday right now. Okay, other than that, also on Monday, I do have a plan with me. So I think I'm gonna use, like I did last week, I'm just gonna use a couple of these little TV icons. I realize I'm not really on TV, but close enough. So there's that. I think that's all I currently have scheduled for Monday. On Tuesday, I have curling. So I'm gonna take maybe this guy. Right here. Curling always seems to take up like a lot of time, so might as well just have a big thing. These are from the Prairie Planner. These little rocks. So I'm gonna use one of those. Wednesday is just Wednesday. There's really nothing going on. Thursday, I've got work. Same thing with Friday. It is March, so that'll be fun. Thursday, really nothing, I don't think, going on. Friday, I do have a video going up. I think this is gonna be my March book bujo. Don't hold me to that. You'll know what's in it before I will, honestly. I think that's it. Saturday, no idea. We're gonna have to figure that out when we get there. And then Sunday, there's a lot of turquoise over here, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna stick in another box for curling. So I still have 5 boxes left. Sorry, my alarm's going off. So still got a little bit left to use, but this is where we're at for the pre-planning. And honestly, it's looking so cute and springy, which makes me really happy. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out really cute and fun and colorful. Definitely very springy, which is great. This past week didn't necessarily feel super springy some of the days, but some of them were pretty nice. We'll have to see how it goes this coming week. All I have left from the Planning Inspired kit is just some of the date dots. So I'll throw those in my leftovers to use for another week. And then I did also pull out this Serenity kit that I was using from Sarah Elizabeth Prince this week. As expected, I still have a good amount of stuff left over from here. So I'm gonna save that in my set as well to be able to supplement some future kit. So the bottom washi is from Michael's. Not sure where else. And then the washi going down, this one's Amazon, and these two are from Dollar Tree. On the sidebar, planning inspired for all the boxes, all the way across. That's the kit. Same for all the headers. This habit tracker is a leftover from Lovely Planner Blog. This is from Piper Paper Company or Jessica Aaron Designs. I don't think she has it in her shop for either, but that's the thing. This hydrate is a Sarah Elizabeth Prince. This week's is a leftover. I don't know where that one's from. And then the checklist was from that Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit. This washi strip's a leftover, I believe, from that Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit, a box from the Planning Inspired kit, and a sticker from the Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit. Going over all of these little Aspens with the laptops are all from Creative Cavern Studio. All these little things are from the Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit. This wash day, I believe, is a leftover from Avalon and Ninth, and then a couple of icons from the Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit. Same with this little flag. This one's from Creative Cavern Studio as well, and then the curling rocks are from the Prairie Planner. This leftover is from Pink Pixel Designs, I think her shop was. It's been closed since like early 2019, so very long ago. Another checklist from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. Header, and both of these are from that Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit. Same with this flower, that little thing, and that icon. Another checklist and a date night also from that. And then these two are from the Sarah Elizabeth Prince and another Prairie Planner. The rest of the boxes coming from that Planning Inspired kit. So I think I really used the kits effectively, which I appreciated. I love being able to use some stuff up, so that was really nice. Oh, and then this pen was an I Buy Am fine liner. So yeah, that was how the week turned out. I think it was really cute. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know your highlight of the week down below, or if you don't have anything you want to say, leave me some sort of flower emoji to say hi. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads. I tag all of the shops. I show you bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.